Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will let you know how to carrier unlock an iPhone. Make sure that your iPhone can support your preferred carrier's network. Some iPhones hardware is geared toward using CDMA rather than a GSM networks, meaning that trying to use a GSM network like AT&T on a phone built for CDMA will be hit or miss experience. Find a service. Unlock Radar is a well-reviewed choice. There are plenty of companies that will sell you stock unlock codes for your phone. These companies circumvent current restrictions by operating in countries not covered by US law. Research your choice. Before paying any company to unlock your phone, research the company as thoroughly as possible. Find user reviews and ask around in phone enthusiast forums. Retrieve your iPhone's IMEI code. Your iPhone will be added to Apple's official unlocked phones list, which means it will stay unlocked even if you upgrade iOS versions. To add the iPhone to the list, the company you are paying will need your phone's IMEI code, which is unique to your iPhone. Pay for the service. If at all possible, use PayPal to complete the transaction rather than using a credit or debit card. Purchase and install a SIM card from your preferred carrier. After your phone is unlocked by your selected service, you will need to have a SIM card from your new carrier in order to take advantage of their network. Activate your unlock. Once you receive confirmation that your iPhone has been unlocked, you will need to activate it before the unlock takes effect. Thank you for watching this video. For more informative videos, please like, share and subscribe our channel.